Subscribe to my channel, Leather or Etc.
Watch the clearance on the right. Easy now. Got it. Bringing it out.
This site's re-export number doesn't align with the import permit. We need clarification on the origin.
Understood. That specific shipment was processed.
This permit here, the 45B, the origin record doesn't match.
We amended that last week. The tags on the finished hides correspond to this manifest.
Yes, I have the verification here.
Look at this inconsistency right here on the belly plate.
Yes, I see it. Make sure it's marked clearly for the cutting team.
There's a slight imperfection right here.
Yes, I see it. Let's mark this section.
75 kilograms. Tagging now.
Confirmed. Logging serial ID 335.
This is premium belly grade right here.
Okay, I see the difference. Yeah.
The scarring means this side is utility.
See the imperfection here on the side? That drops it to utility.
Right, I see the scratch now.
We need to lower the next batch. Are the parameters stable?
Yes, pH is steady at 3.5. Is that the correct weight for the chrome solution?
Yes, pouring it now. The temperature is stable.
Shrinkage is within tolerance.
Noted. Uniformity looks good on this batch.
The calipers read 1.2 millimeters.
Okay, that aligns with the uniformity targets. The uptake looks perfect.
belly scales look perfect on this one.
Agreed.
Quill rows are flawless.
I'll make a note.
There's a slight inconsistency right here on the lateral line.
I see it, but it's minor. It still passes inspection for premium.
The belly scales align perfectly with the template here. Agreed. We need to be careful with the laser alignment on this one.
The green is flawless for the jacket sleeve.
This alignment works well for the handle.
Yes, that looks perfect. We can move forward with this hide.
Subscribe to my channel, Leather or Cera.
Here at the freshwater facility, the latest shipment is prepared for export. Thanks for watching Process Planet.